One, we need to communicate with the school and understand their expectations and understand their wants and needs for their students. Secondly, we need to design the program.
跟我们的 academic manager 的团队去进行前期的沟通，一些比如说内容的设计，然后怎么去落地实施，这些内容我们会就是相当于2个部门一起合作去完成前期的准备。
And then finally, we need to train our staff on how to run the program on the ground. Take our program staff to the activity locations for them to see what everything looks like in person before we actually run the program. You can see that I'm talking a lot. What I do at the beginning is set up the program and help our staff understand the background of the client and the background of the program. What kind of program are we running? And what are we trying to achieve for the client? The reason this is called a dry run is because we basically run the entire program but without the students there. Taking all the materials that we need to be able to actually practicing these activities with our entire staff. During the dry run day, we want the program staff to step into the shoes of the teachers, of the instructors, and the role that they will play, but also we want them to experience what it's like to be a student on the program, and that's why we have them make these posters and do these activities. By the time we do the dry run, we have been to the activity site multiple times with our core team. We will be confident to take them there and show them and train them on all the details, both logistical and activity-wise.